Hey guys, so we will need different coloured A4 paper, scissors, stapler and coloured markers. So right now I'm going to go ahead and cut off a little strip on the side. We're going to need that strip later on, so just put it aside. Now we're going to go ahead and fold long ways, just like this. And just grab your scissors and cut like this, leaving about 1 inch on the top. So you guys can decorate it like this using some markers or colouring pencils. I'm sure you guys can do a better job than I'm doing here. So yeah, you guys can decorate it or just leave it plain. So now after you finish decorating, you just fold it like this. It easily folds and you're just going to hold it in place and get your stapler and staple the top. And to make it secure, we staple the bottom as well. So now it's time to use the strip that we cut off earlier, and you guys can design that as well, colour it in, decorate it, or you can just leave it plain if the lantern you're going for is a plain one. So yeah, you just basically pop it on the top and staple them onto the sides. Now, if you have an LED little candle, this will look amazing in the dark. So now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, and this one is going to be plain. And yes, you can go ahead and do as many as you want. You guys can hang them, or you can just place them on a table with an LED light. So guys, this is what it looks like on the table. It looks very nice, especially during the evening time. So there we go guys, all of the decorations up. So yeah, next is the Eid banner. So guys, I'm going to use this big brown fabric. I'm going to cut it into a square shape. So I prepared some letters over here that I'm going to cut out and stick on my banner. So now I'm just going to trace the shape of the banner on my fabric. And cut it out. I'm going to go ahead and glue the back of it onto the banner. So now I'm just going to add in some Pritt stick on top and just put on some beautiful silver glitter on top. And my cat decided to join. So I'm going to go ahead and cut off the other ones as well and just glitter them all. So next we will stick the banner on the string, so we will use a glue gun to do that. So that's it guys, our Eid banner is ready. thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. And thank you for those who already did. Okay guys, so I hope you have a lovely day and a lovely Eid Mubarak to you all. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye guys!